guys, so today we're going to show you the air vent ring. So obviously that just sits over there, so it's dead easy prep. Obviously all you've got to do is get your little alcohol primer, Venetian primer should I say, and white black obviously just on the silver bit, so you don't want to get this on anything shiny because it dries like a mat, so it sticks very well. So we just coat that. You can see where the glue is on that bit there, so obviously you're going to stick it down there and obviously all the way around the edge. We'll let that dry off while we peel the tape. With this. So typically it breaks on that bit. So there we go, and it's just a matter of lining that up, getting it in position there. It sort of clicks in shape anyway, and there you go. So we've done the other side already. You can get these on our website www.KillAllChrome.com. Thanks for liking, subscribing, etc. Till next time.